Hi my awesome traders, and a warm welcome back to my channel. I'm glad to see you once again in today's new video. So in today's video, I am going to be trading using technical analysis, but I'm going to be using the help of an indicator. I'm going to be using the parabolic SAR indicator, and I'm going to be starting with an initial deposit of $35, hopefully hitting my goal for today, which is around $7,000 to $8,000. So stay tuned until the end of the video because you might like today's strategy and you may be able to use it in your own trades, as well as see if I hit my goal for today. So I'm going to be using these two tools to find good entry points on the market and make very good profit, as well as don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and family, and also don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you're notified when there's a new video up. So let me get started. So guys, first of all, I'm going to activate this indicator. First of all, you need to click this button and you can see this is a list of indicators. I'm going to choose the parabolic SAR, and here you can see it being displayed on the chart. So these are the green dots, and you can open the trade app when the parabolic dots are under the chart, because after that the price starts to move up, and vice versa also. When the dots are showing above the chart, you can open a down trade, because after that the price moves lower. And also you have to pay attention to the sedation with the flat zone when the price doesn't move exactly how you expected. You can also see that these dots above and under the chart, they are very close, and they change their direction, which varies often. You can understand that there is no exact direction and the indicator is not very informative here. That's why it's better to leave such situations and find better signals. Let me start and find my first entry point. So here you can see that from the resistance level, the price is reversed and started to move down. And here you can see the indicator dots are above the chart. So here I'm going to open a trade down for 2 minutes, because I can see that the price moves down quite impulsively, and I can see the red candlesticks mainly. Here you can see that the price highs are becoming lower, and all these moments signal that there is a very good downside potential, and I believe that the price will be moving lower due to this down trade. I'm hoping that 2 minutes will be enough time for this trade. So let me wait and see what will happen next. So guys, I have a private chat in Telegram channel. In this private chat, I post a lot about binary trading. I post news about binary trading. I post there my trading signals that you can use to make very good profit. I also reply to any questions pertaining to binary trading. So I'm advising you to join this private chat. There's a link under the description. It's a link to my personal chat. Write me with the code word MANITEAM and I'll add you to this private chat. So guys, this is very interesting. The price has been trading according to my scenario and shows a very good downward movement. My trade was very profitable here. I made very good profit for my first trade. Let me find more situations. So here I can see the support level and the price impulsively moved up. So here I'm going to open a trade because I can see the dots of the indicator are under the chart. This is a signal to buy, and here you can also notice the price has trended down quite impulsively with red candlesticks, but after that it showed a very good growth. You can see lots of green candlesticks here. All these moments signal that the price has a very good upside potential. So I'm wait and see the results. So before I continue trading, I have noticed that a lot of you are not yet subscribed to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out a lot. And also don't forget to support my channel further by liking the videos that I post, by sharing the videos, and also turning on notifications so you're notified when there's any video that is posted. This is quite good, friends. The price is showing a very impulsive movement up, and this trade was very profitable here. You can see the indicator was right and showed me a very good entry point. Let me continue. So here you can see the price bounced up from the support level and is now impulsively moving down. Here I'm going to click on the downward trend because the dots of the indicator are above the chart, and I can also notice the price has trended up quite impulsively. Now you can see the red candlesticks mainly, and also you can see there's a big room towards the support level. All this means that everything signals that there'll be a very good downside potential very soon. It's possible that very soon the price will be moving lower, and this move will bring me very good profit. Let me see what will happen next. So if you're looking for a broker and you don't know which one to use, I mainly use the Quotex platform and Pocket option. They're quite reliable and quite trustworthy to use and quite easy to use. So I've left a link under the video. It's a link to sign up and register, as well as it gives you a first time bonus when you sign up using it. This is good, friends. You can see that the chart shows lots of red candlesticks and the price had a very good downward movement here. I got very good profit. Let me continue. So here you can see the downward movement and the downtrend on the chart. After, you can see a big pullback up and the price again moves lower. You can see the probability of the dots that are above the chart. This means that I'm going to open a downward trade for 2 minutes. The price highs on the chart are becoming lower, and after this, the pullback, the price has also reversed, and I can see lots of red candlesticks on the chart, and through the minimum point you can see there is a big room towards it. This signals that very soon there will be a downward movement, and I'm hoping that this happens and I'll make very good profit. This is excellent, friends. You can see that the price shows a very good downward movement and this trade was very profitable. You can also understand the indicator was right again and showed me a very good entry point. I've increased my profit more than 10 times. Let me continue and find more situations to hit my goal. So here you can see the support level on the chart and the price bounced up from this level. You can also notice the new dots of the indicator above the chart. Here I'm going to click a down trade for 2 minutes because I can see that there is room towards the support level and you can see a very big distance to it. You can also see lately the price has showed us the red candlesticks and the main price highs are becoming lower. You can see that there is a squeezing of the support level and earlier the price touched it 2 times. So this moment signals that there will be a very good downside potential. It's quite possible the price will be moving down quite soon and touch this level. Let me wait for the results. This is quite good, friends. So the price has been trading down according to my scenario and I got a very good profit. You can see there was a very good downward trade that touched the support level. So let me continue. So here, guys, you can see the price has been trending down and right now the price shows the red candlesticks for me and you can see the reserve towards the support level is very big. You can see that the dots of the indicator are above the chart. Here I'm going to click on a downward trend because I can see that the price already touched this level and also the price highs are becoming lower. Here you can see that the price is squeezing the support level. It's quite possible the price will continue moving down and approaching this level. So with this movement, I'm going to try and make very good profit. Let me wait for the results. So if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, I'm urging you to subscribe to my channel. It's really very helpful for my channel. And also don't forget to turn on notification when you subscribe so that you're notified when there's a new video that is posted. And don't forget to like my videos and share my videos. This is awesome, friends. You can see the price got to the flat zone and showed a slight movement down, and I was able to analyze this and understand this to do so. You can see that there is a reserve towards the support level and I want to open another trade here. I am going to put $1,300 and I can see that the price is moving lower now. The dots of the indicator are above the chart and I can notice lots of red candlesticks. So here you can see that the price has a downside potential. It's still going on. Let me watch what will happen in the near future. This is excellent, friends. You can see that the price moves according to my scenario and shows a very good downward trend. You can see that it touched the level line and here I got a very good profit. You can notice the indicator really showed me a very good entry point and I was able to rely on it. You can see that now my deposit is about $2,500 and we are approaching my trading goal. Let me find more situations to work on. So guys, here you can see the price has been trending up and also you can see the points of the parabolic SAR under the chart. Here I'm going to open an up trade for 2 minutes because here you can see the maximum point, there is still room to it, and you can also notice the price lows are becoming higher and also the price is moving higher. It's still moving with green candlesticks and this moment signals that the price has a very good upside potential. I believe the price will be moving up according to the uptrend. So here I'm going to try and make very good profit. Let me wait for the results. This is awesome, friends. You can see the price shows a very good growth here, and the price bought me my profit, and the indicator was right again. I was able to make very good profit here. Let me find more situations. So here, guys, you can see that the price has been trending down, and right now the parabolic dots are above the chart. It's a signal for me to open a downward trade for 2 minutes, and earlier you can see there was a reversal of the price and it started to move down. The price highs are becoming lower on the chart. I can also see the price has started to move down, possibly with red candlesticks. It means that the price has a good downside potential, and it means that very soon the price will continue to move down, and I believe that this time will be enough time for this trade. Let me wait for the end of it. This is excellent, friends. You can see the price has been trading according to my scenario and showed me a very good entry point. And also you can see that the trade was very profitable, and now you can see my deposit is $1,000. That means I've hit my goal for the day. I'm going to fix this profit and leave the market. So that was pretty good. The trades today worked out quite well and I made very good profit. You can see I hit my goal today. I was able to do this, of course, by using technical analysis and then using the indicator signals, which I always advise. Technical analysis comes first, then the indicator signals. This is in order to avoid errors. So if you have any questions concerning today's trades, you can ask them in my private chat in Telegram channel. I'll be ready and willing to reply to all your questions there. There's a link under the video. It's a link to my personal chat. Remember the code word money team, and I'll add you to this private chat. And also don't forget to support my channel by liking the video, sharing this video, subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell as well. So until next time, good luck in your trades. Bye bye.